Juicy grilled tilapia with banku is Ghana's popular street food. It's sold across the streets of Ghana basically in every evening. I bring to you the simplest way to make yours very tasty and juicy. Just follow this simple recipe of mine and add some goodness on your plate at home. These are my ingredients I use in preparing my grilled tilapia and banku. Fresh tilapia, half cup blended garlic, onion, ginger and shallot, half cup green chili sauce, half cup soya or kebab pepper, 1 tablespoon fish seasoning, salt to taste, 4 tablespoons vegetable oil, corn dough and cassava dough. Place the corn dough and cassava dough in a bowl. Add water gradually while stirring to form a smooth, stretchy dough. In a pot, bring the corn dough and cassava dough into a bowl. Once boiling, gradually add the dough mixture, stirring continuously to prevent lumps. Cook the banku, stirring consistently until it thickens and becomes stretchy. Reduce the heat low, cover and let it steam for a few more minutes. Wait for 3 minutes and turn it whilst continuously stirring. Finally, your banku is ready. So let's get down to the tilapia. Place your tilapia in a plate or a chopping board. Ensure the tilapia is cleaned and gutted. You can leave the skin on for grilled as it adds flavor and helps keep the fish moist. Rub the marinade all over the tilapia, making sure to get it into the cavities and cuts of the fish. Allow the fish to marinate for at least 13 minutes to let the flavors infuse. If using a charcoal grill, preheat the grill to medium-high heat. If using a gas grill, preheat to a medium temperature. Place the marinated tilapia on the preheated grill. Grill each side for about 5 to 7 minutes or until the fish is cooked through and has a nice core on the outside. Cooking times may vary depending on the size of the fish, so keep an eye on it. While grilling, you can burst the tilapia with some of the remaining marinade to ensure the flavor and moisture. Be sure to do this in the last few minutes of grilling. Once the tilapia is cooked through, transfer it to a serving platter. Prepare your vegetables by adding small oil in a frying pan. Silt the chopped onions until it becomes translucent. Add the sliced green pepper, red pepper, bell pepper, and julienne carrots. Stir-fry the vegetables until they are slightly tender but still vibrant and colorful. Place your grilled tilapia in a plate. Top it with the sauteed vegetables and add your grated pepper plus shito on the side. Place a portion of the banku on a plate. Garnish with additional mayonnaise. My grilled tilapia and banku is ready. And it's my favorite. If you want to bribe me, you can bribe me with grilled tilapia and banku and I'll fall for it. Enjoy your special banku and tilapia dish. Feel free to adjust the seasonings and spice levels according to your taste preferences. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you next time. Bye.